Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix AT internet error connection. Right. So if you have this problem, we shall go to the official att.com website and see how we can fix this internet error codes connection. So quickly just come and tap on this first website here, currently on the official website. So fixing these errors depends on the frequently asked questions. So point to note is that having these errors, they come with codes. So for example, if you have an error code which has E012, E015. So let's open up this and see the solution. So before you find the solution, you have to know that this code comes because you haven't finished your registration. So the solution on how to fix it, open your smartphone and then turn off Wi-Fi selection and then connect to cellular data. So this means if you connect it to Wi-Fi, remove it and then connect to mobile data and then sign into the AT&T smartphone homepage manager and then you'll have fixed this problem. Let's check out this error here, which is error E405. Tap on the drop down over here. So what does this error means? It means that you can't connect to the AT&T wireless network. Okay, this means you can't connect to this network. Solution: check your wireless outages, okay, and then restart your All-Fi hub. By doing this, just have to press and release the reset button and then restart it in 5 minutes and then your connection will be back. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.